Hello students, next topic of data representation is representation of signed integers. So till now we had learnt about the conversions and binary addition, subtraction and all. Okay, so already we know that computer understands only zeros and ones. So every data must be in the form of zeros and ones, right? Then how to represent any signed integer? So this digital computers handles both positive and negative numbers or an integers. Okay, so digital computer ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so it means that we need to require for the representation of the sign of a number. So it can be either positive sign or a negative sign. Okay, but we cannot use the sign. That means we cannot use this negative symbol to represent the negative numbers or this positive symbol in order to represent any positive integer or positive number. Okay, so this can be done by adding the leftmost bit to the number, that is known as what? Sign bit. So what it means here, we computer handles both positive and negative numbers, but we cannot use this sign or this sign in order to represent any negative number or positive number. Okay, so digital computer positive ಮತ್ತು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. Okay, so by making you instead of using those two symbols we can use so this can be done by adding the leftmost bit to the number called sign bit. So this sign bit is used to represent this negative number or positive number. Okay, so positive number indicates a sign bit of 0 and negative number has a sign bit of 1. So then how to represent positive and negative numbers? So positive number has a sign bit of 0 and negative number has a sign bit of 1. For example, I want to represent any positive number, for example plus 25. Okay, then sign bit must be what? 0, because that is a positive number. So for example, I want to represent minus 26. That means I need to use a sign bit as 1. Okay, so this is known as what? Fixed point representation. So this fixed point representation is nothing but representation of positive number has a sign bit 0 and representation of negative number has a sign bit 1. So this is known as what? Fixed point representation. So computer positive ಮತ್ತು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 0 or 1. Okay, if it is positive number then we have to use 0. So if it is negative number then sign bit must be 1. Okay, so this type of process is known as fixed point representation. Okay, so this is related to how to use a sign bit for the positive and negative numbers. Okay, so if it is positive numbers then we can directly go with sign bit as a 0. But when we have a negative sign integer, for example minus 29, minus 63, like that. Okay, so a negative sign integer can be represented in a 3 forms. So negative sign integer can be represented in 3 ways. Okay, so you can use any one of the following. That means sign and magnitude method and 1's complement method, then 2's complement method. Okay, so in order to represent any negative sign integer you can use either of these 3 ways. Okay, sign and magnitude method, 1's complement method and 2's complement method. Okay, so now we'll see how to use this sign and magnitude method. So now we'll see what is sign and magnitude method. Okay, so in this sign and magnitude method, an integer containing a sign bit which is followed by magnitude bit, that is known as what? Sign magnitude integer. So if an integer, that can be either positive or negative integer, but most of the time negative integers are used to follow these kind of methods. Okay, so an integer here nothing but a negative integer or could be a positive integer, so which contains a sign bit along with a magnitude. So those kind of bits are known as what? Sign and magnitude integer. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಐದರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್, ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? So first bit, that is most significant bit, is considered as a sign bit. Okay, and remaining bits are stands for magnitude bits. Okay, so ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೈನರಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ 0. Okay, so if it is negative number or negative integer then that must starts with 1. Okay, so now we'll see how to represent any given number with the help of sign and magnitude method. Okay, so now consider an example of a decimal number 25. So here we have an example 25 base 10. That means it is a decimal number which needs to be converted into binary. How to convert any given decimal number into binary or how to represent? So if you know the method of 8421, you can directly go with that 8421 format, or else if you are not aware of that, then you can divide any given decimal number by 2. Okay, because the given decimal number must be converted into binary, so that must be divided by 2. So now we'll see 2 ones are 2, then 2 twos are 4. I left out with an remainder of 1. Okay, so 12 twos are 24, 25 minus 24 becomes 1. So that remaining will be what? Remainder will be 1. Again I have to divide. So 2 6 are 12. The remainder will be what? 0, right? Then 2 3s are 6. Remainder will be 0 again. Then 2 1s are 2. Remainder will be 1. Okay, I cannot divide 1 by 2, so that I have to write as it is. Then it becomes 0 and then 1. Okay, so this is must be written from bottom to top. So that how to represent this 25 in binary? So it is equivalent to, from this way to this way I have to write. So 1 1 0 0 1. Base is what? 2. Okay, so but we are using positive number. So ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ then consider that as a positive number. So if you have any negative sign then that is negative integer. Okay, so this is regarding how to convert any given decimal number into binary in order to take this bits. Okay, so you can also represent this 25 with the help of 8421 format. Okay, 8 4 2 1. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. We cannot represent, it is not enough to represent 25, so that I have to take the square of this number. So then this becomes 16 into 2, not square. So 8 into 2, that is 16. Then how can I represent this 25 with help of this 8421 format? So by adding 16 and 8. So 16 plus 8 becomes 24. So how can I get 25? By adding 1 to the 24. So that 1 1. So remaining will become 0. Okay. So remaining value become 0. So instead of converting any given decimal number into this binary, you can also use this method too. Okay. So ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆದರೂ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 16 ಮತ್ತು 8 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 25ಗೆ 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದ ಬೈನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 25 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ 25 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್? 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, so by making use of this sign magnitude method, we have if you take the size of word is 1 byte, that means 8 bits, then the number 25 will be represented what? We'll see now. So we have to take first 8 boxes. So that means 8 bits we can represent. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7 and 8. So 8 bits, that is 1 byte. Okay, so in order to represent any integers we have to use 8 bits or 1 byte. Okay, so first the most significant bit. So already we saw in the procedure step, first bit, that is most significant bit, is considered as sign bit. So if it is positive number, then we have to use 0. If it is negative number, then we have to use 1. Okay, so in this case we have a positive number, so that it must be represent with 0. So this is known as what? Sign bit, because this is a most significant bit, right? So remaining will be what? Magnitude values. How to represent this magnitude values? We have to write these number from last. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, the remaining 2 boxes must be filled with 0. So this represent what? 8, 4, 2, 1, 16. So 16 into 2, 32, 64. Okay, then this become 128. This is most significant bit which is used to represent the sign bit. So this 11001 indicates the what? Value of 25. Okay, so those remaining value will be considered as magnitude. Magnitude equals, what is the value? 25. That is positive. Okay, no need to represent the positive here, because if any number without any sign is considered as positive number. Okay, so this sign bit indicates the positive or negative. If it is 0, then this will be positive integer. If it is 1, then this will be negative integer. Okay, so what if it is minus 25? How to represent this minus 25? Everything will be same, but we have to change the sign bit of 0 into 1. Okay, so in case 25 minus 25 ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೈನರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 8421 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್, and then we have to represent a given integer with the help of sign bit and magnitude. So sign bit is nothing but most significant bit. If it is positive number, then that must be filled with 0. If it is negative number, then that must be represented with the help of 1. Okay, so the remaining 7 bits are used for the magnitude bit. Only 1 bit is used for the sign bit, right? So 1 bit ಮಾತ್ರ sign bit ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ 7 ಬಿಟ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1 and remaining part will be same. Okay, so this is regarding magnitude, sign and magnitude method. So in next session we will see how to represent any given negative integer with the help of ones and twos complement. Okay, so positive number ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So if an integer which is followed with a sign bit along with a magnitude, then that will be considered as sign and magnitude integer, right? And the first significant bit, that is most significant bit, is used to represent the sign bit. Okay, and remaining bit stands for the magnitude bit. So if it is if it is positive, then that must be filled with 0. If it is negative, then sign bit must be 1. So remaining bits must be filled with magnitude. So if it is 16, then we give a 1 for this 16, and remaining all the 7 values becomes 0. Okay, so this is regarding sign magnitude method. Thank you.